I didn't think changing a font could be that interesting until I saw what ReFont can actually do. You know that moment when you find the perfect design, but the text uses the completely wrong font? Normally, you're stuck searching for something similar, rebuilding the text, or trying to match the original style manually. ReFont takes a much simpler approach. Give it the text and let AI change the font without rebuilding the whole design. That's what I wanted to test. Not whether it could make a pretty font preview, but whether it could actually save time in a real design workflow. The first thing that makes this useful is the speed. Instead of opening a design program, finding a font, adjusting spacing, fixing alignment, and repeating the process 10 times, you can experiment with different font styles much faster. If you're a designer, content creator, marketer, or freelancer working on client graphics, those little time savings can add up surprisingly quickly. And I think the most interesting use case is when you already have something that looks good. Maybe you've got a thumbnail, poster, logo concept, social graphic, or an image with text that you want to restyle. You don't necessarily want to redesign the entire thing. You just want the typography to fit the visual better. But here's where I'd be careful. Changing a font isn't the same thing as perfectly recreating a design. Depending on the original image, spacing, text quality, and style, you may still need to clean things up afterward. AI can get you much closer, much faster, but I wouldn't expect it to understand every tiny design decision the way a professional designer would. That's also why I'd use ReFont as a creative tool rather than a replacement for your entire design workflow. Try several styles, compare them, and then pick the one that actually matches the mood of the design. Don't just choose the most dramatic font because it looks cool in isolation. For creators, this could be especially handy for thumbnails. The image might already work, but the typography feels boring. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, you can experiment with different font directions and see which one makes the design feel more clickable. And honestly, that's the biggest thing I like about tools like this. They make experimentation cheap. You can try ideas you probably wouldn't bother testing manually. So, can ReFont change any font instantly? It can make the process dramatically faster, but I'd still check the final result carefully before using it for professional work. Now I'm curious, if you could instantly change the font on one design you've already made, what would you change first? Comment below and tell me what you're designing. Thumbnails, logos, posters, ads, or something else.